Good morning, all of you. Students, we are doing the chapter Structure and Function of Living Things, Animals. In this chapter, we discussed about different types of systems present in our body, in which we studied digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and then nervous system. Today, I am going to explain the excretory system. As you know that the body functions, our body perform different types of functions, and after that so many waste products are produced. These waste products need to be removed from the body, otherwise it will be harmful, dangerous for us. The excretory system, and this is removed from our body with the help of a system which is known as excretory system. The excretory system consists of organs that help in eliminating the waste products from the body, that help in removing the waste from the body. The kidney is an excretory organ that filters out waste products from the blood and eliminates them in the form of urine. The skin gets rid of water and excessive salts in the form of sweat through the sweat glands located on the skin. Waste is removed from our body in the form of urine and in the form of sweat also. In the form of sweat, it is removed by the sweat glands which are present on the skin. The lungs also excrete some waste from our body. They remove carbon dioxide during respiration. Feces is eliminated from the rectum through the anus. Urine is the major waste product of the body and is excreted through the urinary system. The urinary system consists of different organs. Now the organs of urinary system. The first one is kidneys. There is a pair of kidneys in the human body. Each kidney is brick red in color and it is bean shaped. They filter out waste products from the blood. These waste form a light yellow colored liquid called the urine. In this way, the blood gets purified by the kidneys. Kidneys help in removing not only harmful substances such as urea but also excess water from the blood. The next organ is the ureters. The ureters are two thin-walled urine-carrying tubes. They start from each kidney and open into the urinary bladder. The next organ is urinary bladder. It is a small bag-like structure in which the urine is stored. A human being excretes about 1.5 to 2.5 liters of urine every day. The size and position of the urinary bladder varies with the amount of urine it contains. Next organ of urinary system is urethra. The urethra is a small tube-like structure through which the urine gets discharged. This is complete about our excretory system. We will discuss the next systems in next class. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.